Well, we are running. Radiator's back in, thermostat's in, and we have coolant. Warm it up. Don't sound bad. This is the high idle system here. Got the star wheel and this deal. There's basically a thermostat back here, and it pulls on, or allows this to move that way as it warms up. So, when it's colder, it pulls the throttle a little bit. So, don't sound too bad to me. Sounds like a diesel. So, geez, a joochin', it's a little bit hazy in here. Can't really tell too much, but I've got the fuel mix leaned out just a little bit. It's nice and quiet back here. It's stinky, but it's quiet. I hear more from the engine back here than I do from the exhaust. So, anyway, there you go. There's your 2-minute update. $181,874 miles, 9 gallons of petrol. It says the trunk is ajar. The door is also apparently ajar. Battery's been unhooked. Climate control works. Stereo works. I got lukewarm air. Heat's not amazing, but it's idling and the fan's running and it's cold as frig out. So, diesels are not known for spectacular roast you out of the car. It will heat up. I've warmed it up before and it heats pretty good. But anyway, there you go. That's it for this one. Cheers.